Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a new profile in Netflix from your mobile device. Now let's begin. Do you know that I have already installed the Netflix application in my mobile device and logged into my account? In case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Well, initially, this is the homepage of Netflix and it will prompt you to select your account. But right now, we simply want to add a new profile. Well, here's the button right here with a plus icon. Simply click on it. Now it will redirect you to something like this. Just enter your profile name right here. Once you've entered it, here's the button right here that says save. And there you go. You have successfully created a profile in Netflix from your mobile device. Now I'm gonna go to the profile right now. In case you want to edit your profile, simply go to your profile right here that you will find at the bottom right and click on these three icons at the top right. Something like this will open up. Now from here, what you need to do is go to Manage Profiles, select the new profile that you just created, and there you go. There are lots of settings that you can fiddle around from. Well guys, that's it. That's how you add a new profile in Netflix from your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.